Full product list, by supplier or by category, can be used to order items from multiple suppliers at the same time. Select the category from the drop-down list. Order date and delivery date will be selected by the system. Display screen shows supplier-wise data including price comparison in between suppliers highlighted with green. Enter quantity. View the order. After confirming the order, it needs to be approved. Let's understand product list by category feature. This feature allows to compare the price in between supplier, and green highlight denotes the lowest supplier value. Enter quantity and click on Review Order. Here multiple suppliers' orders can be raised at the same time. Each order needs to be approved individually.